In today's video, we'll be learning how to create this image carousel in Figma. My name is Jacqueline and this is Secure Designs. Duplicate the frame. Click on the bottom left image and drag it into the frame. Then click on the middle image and drag it to the left. Set its corner radius to 0 and adjust its size. Make sure its size and position settings are as seen on the screen. Drag the points in the corner to round the corner. Click on the image on the right and center it. Then select the frame and check the clip content box. Select the overflowing images and drag it towards your left. Duplicate the left corner image, drag it outside the frame and rename it. Select the frame and check the clip content box. Adjust the size of the middle image according to the properties shown on the screen. Finally, adjust the corner rounding. Hold Alt or Option while dragging the corner points, then release the button and drag the other corner. Duplicate the frame once again. Drag the left bottom image towards the left and drag the center image towards the left as well. Move the right image to the center. Select the left image and adjust its size. Then finally adjust its corner radius. Select the image in the center and adjust its size and position. Then adjust its corner rounding as well. Select the frame and uncheck the clip content box and drag the overflowing image into the frame. Drag the other overflowing image closer to the frame. Duplicate the bottom left image and drag it towards your right, then rename it. Select the frame and check the clip content box. Duplicate the frame once again. Click on the left image and slide it towards the left. Click on the center image, set its corner radius to 0 and move it to the left. Then adjust its size and position. Then finally adjust its corner radius. Move the image on the right to the center. Adjust its width and height and corner radius. Select the frame and uncheck the clip content box. Then drag the overflowing images towards your right. Turn on the clip content once again and duplicate the frame. Then repeat the process one last time.